Hey everybody, it's me, Troy. Yeah, I put makeup on, that's why my face looks so pale. This video goes out to Catherine and Rachel on 7 Supergirls. I got a picture of them on my golden stripe when I go outside. It's not that pretty, but okay. And if Catherine and Rachel are watching this on 7 Supergirls, I love your guys' videos. You guys inspire me so much to draw a picture of you fabulous girls. And this is Catherine. And this is Rachel. I hope you guys really like the drawing that I draw. I'm 6 years old. My name is Tori Panny in the 2nd grade. I go to Lakeshore Road Elementary School. My teacher's name is Mrs. Parsons. This is my address, 7890 Eisenhower Boulevard, Bridgeport, New York. I really hope you guys enjoy the drawing of you, because you guys are amazing. Bye.